So let's start. Good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the wrist. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. And bring the arms down, turn the palms out. Inhale, bring the arms up, palms together. Exhale, hands to the chest. So inhale, looking up. Exhale, follow the hands down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. So one more. And inhale, exhale down. And bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around, swapping them over and coming up and around. So remember, only go as far as feels comfortable for you. Stand on that right leg, belly button squeezed in, and we're going to work into that left hip. And then the other way. And working on the right hip. So remember, nothing should hurt. So if it doesn't feel comfortable, just make smaller circles. And the other way. And working on the knee joint. So bringing that left thigh parallel, fingertips to the kneecap. We're just circling the lower limb. And the other way. To the right knee, and circling into that joint, and the other way. And working on the ankles, so either keep the foot low or holding onto the knee, squeeze it to the chest. And rotate into the ankle joint. And the other way. And onto the other side. And the other way. Okay, so I'm going to do chair pose. I have the feet together, hands to the chest, and we're sitting back, trying to keep the back straight, using the thighs, arms up either side of the head, palms together if you can. There should be no strain in the knees. And coming on up, go again. We'll inhale first, and exhale, sitting back, squeezing the legs together. Now you can stay in the basic chair pose, or we're going to add a balance into star pose. We're going to bring the weight onto the left leg, bring the right leg up. And then coming down. So again, chair pose, so inhale first, exhale, sitting back, looking up to the hands if you can. So either staying there, or bring the weight onto the right leg, and bring the left one up. Remember, belly button squeezed in. And bring that leg down. So standing pose, extended side angles, turn that left foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled, I want that line from the front heel to the back arch. I'm just leaning sideways, so either placing the hand or the forearm on the thigh, and I'm reaching that right arm diagonally across the head, or if you prefer, you can always keep the hand to the hip. And coming on up and turn the feet around. Make sure the right knees are tracking in the direction of the toes. Body faces forwards. And bringing that left arm up if the shoulder allows. And coming up. I'll do one more each side. Bending that left knee. Right leg straight. Now if you feel steady, looking up towards the sky and just sinking into the pose. And remember to keep breathing. And come on up, last one. Diagonal line from the back foot to the fingertips. And come back up. To finish, good posture and breathing. 2 feet hip width, shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, one hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths and just notice if the body relaxes. Open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.